This is the budding light of hope and knowledge, the delight of Sri Prakash educational institutions, spreading academic brilliance in all directions.
Namaste children, welcome to Sri Prakash Educational Institutions Tuni. This is Satish. I am going to teach social studies grade 6th. Children, today we are going to discuss an interesting topic about the symbols and the different kinds of maps. So already you know the symbols, why do we need symbols, what is the importance of symbols, and how many kinds of maps, what are the maps. So this is our topic. So shall we go children?
Okay, children, today our topic symbols. Okay, shall we go? First, learning outcomes. Children, end of the lesson, you will reach the following learning outcomes. You can understand about the importance of the symbols and you can recall the symbols, give you a lot of information in your limited space. You can understand about the different types of maps and you can recall the political map, physical map and thematic map and you can understand about the neighboring countries of India. Okay. Today agenda. First, words in focus, keywords, learning outcomes, content analysis, summary, evaluation, assignment. First, today word children, draw. So this is our word meaning make a mark or line on surface cause to move pulling. This is draw. Draw verb form, drawing noun form, drawn adjective. These are the derivatives. What are the conjugations to the draw? Draw, drawn, drawing, draws. They are the conjugations. So, for example, just to see the children sentence, it is not possible to draw on a map the real shapes. Here, draw is used as a verb. Next one, we go with another one, children. See the other some examples. What are the other examples, children? Just to see, this is the another example. The nurse drew blood. Here drew it is verb form children. He drew her hair through the finger. Here drew is used as a verb form. See the third one children. The game ended with draw. Here ended is used as a noun form. Here draw is a noun form. Draw is noun form. She learned drawing from her father. Here drawing is noun form. And last sentence just using drawn matches were replayed 3 or 4 days later. Here drawn matches. Here drawn is used as a adjective because drawn comes means the verb comes before noun so that it is called adjective. Okay children, I hope that you understood the today word. Then we go with next one. Uh, so from this chapter children you will learn the following keywords. What are the keywords? First one, physical map, political map, thematic map, patterns, oceans, continents and boundaries. See children, the I would like to ask some questions on the previous classes. What is map? The map means nothing but the earth which is drawn on the flat surface, that is called map. Write about sketch map. What is sketch map children? Sketch map means nothing but rough map without any directions and symbols. Why could not Mridula reach Sadvika's house? Actually, she doesn't know distance, so that she could not reach the Satvika's house. What are the components of the map? North, south, east, west. These are the directions. Directions one component, symbols, colors, scale. Four are the components of the map. What are cardinal directions? Cardinal directions mean nothing but north, south, east, west. These are the cardinal directions. What are intermediate directions? Intermediate directions are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. What is the use of scale, children? We use scale to reduce the distance and to measure the distance. Okay, children? Okay, today we go with our topic, children, symbols. So, what do you know about the symbols, children? Why do we use symbols? Actually, we use symbols instead of real pictures. Here, just you see first point, not possible actual shapes and size of different features. Actual pictures are shown by letters, shades, colors, pictures, and lines. And third point, we get information of any place with the help of symbols without making asking anyone. Just to see children, symbols. Why do we need symbols? We can't draw the real pictures on the map, so that we use symbols. Can we draw, children, real tree? Can we draw real hospital? Can we draw real police station? No, we can't draw on the map. The space is not sufficient. So that we use symbols instead of real pictures. We use symbols. Actually, the pictures are shown by letters. So actually, symbols are in the form of letters and shades and colors and pictures and lines. So like that, we can use the different forms as a symbols on the map. So with the help of symbols, we can find the locations, we can identify the places with the help of symbol. For example, just to see PO. PO means post office. Next PTO. PTO means nothing but post and telegraph office. And next one PS. PS means nothing but police station. So like that, some symbols are the tree symbol, grass, bridge, railway track, river, so church, temple, masjid. So like that, we can use different symbols for different real pictures. Okay. Next one, we go with next one. See children, colors and patterns. We use the different colors in the map also, children. Just you see, physical map shows the up and downs on the earth. Colors are used in the physical map. Just you see, what about the colors in the physical map, children? We use blue color, green, yellow, and brown in physical map. And apart from, we use the patterns and colors are used in thematic map. So patterns and colors we use in the map, children. Patterns and colors are used in the map to identify the places. Blue color. Actually, blue color is used in the physical map to identify the water body. And next one, green color. Actually, we use for the plain regions. And yellow for plateau. Just you see, children. Yellow it is plateau region. Green color plain. Blue water bodies and brown color for mountains. So like that, we use the different colors to identify the landforms. Physical maps describes about the landform, children. Physical map describes about the landform. And next we go with next slide, children. Just to see, what about the political map? Political map means nothing but, children, the map which describes about the states and capitals boundaries. For example, how to take the India political map. Just to see, we can find the boundaries of the states as well as states and the capitals and districts. So this is the political maps. Maps can be classified into three types, children. One is political map, and then one is physical map and thematic map. Here This is the political map, children. Political maps are showing villages, cities, towns, districts, and states and countries. So this is political map. Then we go with next slide, children. Just you see world political map. This is world political. Before slide we discussed about the India political map. This is world political map. What about the world political map, children? World political map shows boundaries of continents. Already you know that you studied in the previous classes. We have 7 continents, 5 oceans, and we can observe the boundaries of the continents with the help of world political map. Here, the large water bodies are called what we call, children? The large water bodies are called oceans. So, how many oceans are there? 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. These are the oceans. And the large landmass are called continents, children. This is continents. How many continents are there, children? Total we have 7 continents. How many continents? 7 continents. What are the continents, children? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. So these are the continents. Okay, children? Then we go with another slide. This is just you see. This is if you see the world map. These are the continents and oceans. Just now we discussed 7 continents and 5 oceans. After that, just you see, children, Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia, it is the largest continent, children. Our India is located in the Asia continent. Where is it, children? In Asia continent. India is located in the Asia continent. Actually, our India shares its land boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Myanmar. These are the countries are connected with India. These are the boundaries of our India. Boundaries of our India. What are the countries, children? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Myanmar. These are the countries. 7 countries are connected with India. And next one, just to say, this is what about this, children? Physical map. What do you know about the physical map, children? Physical map shows the physical features such as the landforms. Physical map shows the landforms. What are the landforms, children? Landforms are mountains, plains, plateaus, oceans, rivers, deserts. They all are comes under the physical map. These are the landforms. The physical map depicts the landforms. Just you see mountains, plains, plateaus, and oceans all are comes under the physical maps. Here the physical map has different colors. These are just you observe, children, some colors are represented in the physical map. What are the colors? Brown, yellow, green, blue. These are the colors are shown in the physical maps. And next we go with next one, children. Just you see, I hope that you understood about the physical map. So what are the colors, children? Green, yellow, brown, blue. 4 colors are represented in the physical map. Just you observe, children. Brown color indicate the mountains, and green color indicate the plains. And plateau, what is the color, children? Yellow color. And finally, blue colors indicate represent the water body. So these are the landforms. These are landforms, children. Okay, children. I hope that you understood, everyone. Okay. So what about the summary, children? What you understood from this lesson? Symbols of the important components of a map. Real pictures are shown by using letters, shades, colors, pictures, and lines. Symbols give you a lot of information in a limited space. We can come to know the information from maps with the help of symbols. The colors are represented in the physical map. Different colors are used in physical maps such as brown, yellow, green, blue. 3 types of maps are political map, physical map, and thematic map. Political map shows villages, cities, towns, districts, states, and countries. The large land masses are called continents and water bodies are called oceans. Physical map shows mountains, plains, plateaus, etc. India shares its land boundary with neighboring countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and just you see, children. Evaluation. I would like to ask some questions, children. Can you say the answers? Why do we need symbols, children? We need symbols to represent the actual pictures, real pictures. We can't draw the real pictures, so that instead of real pictures, we use symbols. Okay. Next question. What are the colors in physical map? What are the colors, children? Blue, yellow, green, brown. Four colors are represented in the physical map. Next question. Name the different types of maps. What are the different types of maps, children? Physical map, political map, thematic map. Okay. Next, we go with what is thematic map? Thematic map is nothing but the map which shows the particular aspect or particular concept, that is called thematic map. Okay, children. And still we go with some other questions also. What is political map, children? Political map is nothing but the map which is describes about the countries, continents, boundaries. Is a political map. And what is physical map, children? Can you say what is physical map? Physical map is nothing but the map which describes about the mountains, plains, plateaus, water bodies. That is called physical map. Okay. Next, which is the largest continent? The largest continent is Asia. And fourth one, what are the neighboring countries of India, children? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. These are the boundaries, means neighboring countries of India, children. Okay. Please note down this assignment, children. This is the homework. Please note down in your notebooks, children. Explain the need of symbols in preparing maps. How political maps are different from physical maps. Third question. Find out the scale used in your district map to show the distance between your mandal headquarters and district headquarters. Fourth one. Locate the continents and oceans in the world map. And fifth one. Write some physical features of India. Have you written, children?
Okay, children, I hope that you understood about the symbols, political map, and physical map. We use the symbols instead of real pictures. We can't draw the real pictures, so that we use the symbols. What about the political map? Political map describes about the states and capitals, boundaries, important cities, and towns and villages. And here, the about the political, if you see about the political map, we can observe the important countries in the world, continents, and boundaries of the continents, boundaries of the countries. So a lot of information we get through the political map. At the same time, what about the physical map, children? We discussed about the physical map also. So physical map describes about the landforms such as mountains, plains, plateaus, and deserts. So in this lesson, we discussed about this topic, children. In the next lesson, we go with an interesting topic. Okay, children? Thank you.